How's it going, everyone? This is 99, and I just wanted to start off this video by saying that this is one of the first videos that I'll be putting effort into. I want to become a videographer, but I haven't made too many steps towards that just yet. So this is the first step I'm taking towards that direction. So this isn't going to be probably the best edited video or anything like that, but again, it's a good step. With that being said, let's get this video started. Ready to get going, good sir?
Yeah.
Just gotta wait on those guys. Yeah. Look at them. Here they come. Say hello, Kurt.
Oh, hi, we're building.
This is the main character.
You are not the main character.
Hi, my name is Gina.
Let me get up to you.
Nobody cares.
I care about you, Junai. Say what's up, Ozai.
What's up, man?
Get the other guys.
Nutrients and proteins.
My equipment better. My equipment better. My equipment better.
What's up, guys? I don't know. What's up with this? Hey, today we was behind Beverly Hills or some shit.
That was Junai.
Hey, okay, dude. I feel embarrassed to say Pokagon, alright?
What's wrong with Pokagon?
There's nothing wrong with Pokagons.
No. Then why are you
I
embarrassed?
love
Right.
Pokagon.
But you didn't sound like that when you said it.
That's what I'm saying. We're setting it up. It's my first time here, so I don't know what to do. Can I see that?
Don't shoot at me though. You know what I'm saying? Shoot at like right
For
here.
the video.
Right here, right here.
For the video, Junai.
Damn! Hey, that actually hurts.
Does it?
Yeah, it does.
I'm sorry, Junai.
No, you don't gotta be sorry.
Shoot yourself in the hand.
No.
Oh, but I really don't appreciate you shooting at me though.
I'm sorry.
I want you to
My
apologize in front
I'm
of the
sorry.
camera.
I'm sorry, Junai.
It is a nice camera though.
Thank you.
Ah, let's slide the time.
Frank, can you get some tissue? I'm sitting there.
Oh, would you guys like a Polaroid together? You guys want a Polaroid? Guys want a Polaroid together?
Sure.
I got you guys. Sit down or just standing. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I grew up with these.
I brought a lot. Yeah, I brought a lot, so gotta use them all.
All right.
Just give it
Thank
about
you.
like 2 minutes or so. Should be ready.
All right.
Okay, Mr. YouTuber.
What?
Oh, don't ever.
What did I do?
You looking real good though.
Thank you.
You just need that gun to patrol around here, man.
I got you.
Oh shit, never mind.
It's the POV, the Call of Duty.
Hey, don't waste the ammo though.
I'm not. It's like the Call of Duty.
Because I'm black. Because I'm black.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's exactly it.
Hey, someone charity by tied on this.
Okay. The maroon. That's mine.
I know. I was just playing, yo. Huh? Do you have an energy for another tent, Zeus? You're right. I have energy to eat also.
Do I put it in with that?
So right there.
Dude, we need a steak.
Come on. You deserve a steak.
We only have chicken.
You better not put that part in. Hey, delete that seed. You better cut that out.
That's funny as hell. What do you mean? It's funny.
What? It's not bad. What else would it be? So I don't know what to...
The green one?
Yeah, it's a green jacket, turtleneck.
Turtleneck.
Huh.
Oh. How we doing?
I don't know. It's kind of close.
It is.
I wish I was holding the camera.
I'm trying to capture the moment for you guys. You know what I'm saying? With this manly man. So you look good with that eye patch, no cap. This way. You blushing and shit. Look at him.
I think they get it. I think they get it.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna
go take a piss.
So.
Took a picture of my ass.
No, of Zaw.
I was eating.
It's okay. You look cute eating.
So, still no music?
Speaker, man.
That thing charges fire.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Nah, I want you to look at mine.
It's not even cooked.
Alright, fine. Yes, good here, look, man.
My balls looking good.
Yo, what?
That's mine.
Damn, Zoot. Bro, I hate this way. Can we get a fan in this?
Oh, I should have brought the tiny fan.
You can use a plate. Here, not.
This one
Connect, let me have it.
Yeah, your turn, bro.
BT,
Suffocate.
It's still going your way.
I'm like fending for my life right here, man.
They kind of feel
Someone getting a function.
I made all that. You better finish that. I'm kidding. I went to like 3 minutes.
What if we don't finish it?
Just like
You better.
What are you gonna do?
No, that's the.
No, sir. Let's finish that.
Are we about to touch tails right now? Why is my glizzy more limp than yours?
I don't know. You just got a limp dick, bro. Oh, we touch tips. Don't fight too much or your glizzy's gonna fall off.
Good morning.
Morning, man.
Good morning, Rain. Hello, everyone. This is 99 again. I really appreciate you sticking around through the whole video. This is the first video that I've put effort in and actually tried to make look good. So I appreciate you watching. I will try to do better in the future, but thank you.